Have you ever wondered what really happens when you start your car? Within seconds, thousands of tiny explosions begin happening inside the engine. Yet somehow, those explosions are carefully controlled to move a machine weighing over 1,000 kilograms. So how does it all work? Let's decode it. At its core, a car engine is a machine that converts the chemical energy stored in fuel into mechanical energy. That mechanical energy is then used to rotate the wheels and move the car forward. It's one of the greatest engineering inventions ever created. Inside every engine are cylinders. And inside each cylinder is a piston that moves up and down. Think of the piston as the engine's muscle. Its repeated movement is what creates the force needed to power the vehicle. The process begins with the intake stroke. The intake valve opens while the piston moves downward. As it drops, a mixture of air and fuel is drawn into the cylinder, preparing it for combustion. Next comes compression. The intake valve closes, and the piston travels back upward. This squeezes the air-fuel mixture into a much smaller space. Compressed fuel burns more efficiently and releases far more energy. Now comes the moment that powers the entire engine. The spark plug creates a tiny electrical spark. Instantly, the compressed fuel ignites. The resulting explosion forces the piston downward with incredible strength. This is the only stage that actually produces power. After combustion, the fuel has been used up. The exhaust valve opens. The piston moves upward one final time, pushing the burnt gases out of the cylinder. The engine is now ready to begin the cycle again. But there's a problem. Pistons only move up and down. Cars need rotational motion to turn their wheels. That's where the crankshaft comes in. It converts the piston's vertical movement into continuous spinning motion. Most cars don't have just one cylinder. Many use 4, 6, or even 8 cylinders working together. Each piston fires at a slightly different moment. This creates smooth, continuous power instead of sudden bursts. The spinning crankshaft transfers its energy through the transmission. From there, power travels through the drivetrain until it finally reaches the wheels. And that's what makes the car move. When you press the accelerator pedal, more air and fuel enter the engine. More combustion cycles happen every second. The crankshaft spins faster. The wheels rotate faster. And the car accelerates. So every journey you take is powered by thousands of carefully timed explosions happening inside the engine every single minute. From intake, to compression, to power, to exhaust. It's an incredible example of engineering at its finest. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Engineering Decoded, and let me know in the comments what engineering concept you would love to understand next. See you in the next video.